Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing, Segment 9, Topic Sentences. If you have found this video from YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the descriptions. And teachers, you are invited to join me and other educators on Facebook where we will discuss grading and teaching writing. You can find a link to this page in the description as well. Okay, let's get started. Here are the elements that belong in a body paragraph: topic sentences, evidence, elaboration, or some people call it discussion or explanation, and transitions. For this workshop, we're going to be focusing on topic sentences. More specifically, we are going to be focusing on how to use our thesis statement to create topic sentences. First, a word about topic sentences. A topic sentence or topic sentences are the first sentence or few sentences of your body paragraphs. The topic sentence introduces the topic that you will discuss in that paragraph. Every sentence in the body paragraph relates to, supports, proves the topic of that sentence. The reason of your thesis statement will be the topics of your topic sentences. In other words, you'll take the reasons that were in your thesis statement to create your topic sentences, which makes it much easier. Even though topic sentences are drawn from your thesis statement, they should be reworded thoroughly. Tip: use a thesaurus to find synonyms for key words. Your essay will be boring if you have sentences that sound too much alike. And finally, each of your topic sentences should start off differently from each other. Students often make the mistake of beginning their topic sentences with the same phrase, so keep it fresh. Also, here's something to think about. Why do you think it is necessary to use your thesis statement to build your topic sentences? Pause the video and think about it for a minute. Well, the answer is simple. By using the reasons in your thesis statement to create topic sentences, you are ensuring that your entire essay will be tightly centered around the thesis statement. Remember, the thesis statement is the statement in your introductory paragraph that tells your reader what your claim is and exactly how you plan to prove it. Let's scroll down and take a look at how to do this. Here is an example of a thesis statement. Notice that the reasons are highlighted in pink and purple. Oops, correction. The reasons are highlighted in yellow and purple. And below that are topic sentences that have been created using these reasons. Notice that this is a two-pronged thesis statement. That means it only uses two reasons. Okay, so we start with the thesis statement. And remember, what we are doing is creating topic sentences from these reasons. Cats make better pets than dogs because they can take care of themselves and they use a litter box. So reason number one that cats are better than dogs is that they can take care of themselves. And reason number two why cats are better than dogs is that they can use a litter box. So we're going to use the same method that we used to create a hook to create these topic sentences from these reasons. Remember, in the beginning of the essay series, we thought about the big idea of the thesis reasons. We're going to do that again. What are the big ideas that we could draw from to make topic sentences for our body paragraphs? First, this is one possible topic sentence for a body paragraph. Self-sufficiency is a serious benefit to owning a cat. Well, what's the big idea of self-sufficiency? Or what's the big idea of taking care of yourself? The big idea of that is self-sufficiency. That's one big idea. So this makes a really good topic sentence. Self-sufficiency is a serious benefit to owning a cat. Now, if we were to continue writing this paragraph, the whole paragraph would be about self-sufficiency and how cats can take care of themselves. We might bring in some evidence to prove this and then explain that evidence. You see where this is going? Okay, for body paragraph number 2, we're going to use the reason that cats can use a litter box. We need a topic sentence about this phrase so that our whole paragraph can center around this. So here's one example. If you own a cat, waking up in the middle of the night to let it use the bathroom will never be an issue since cats can use a litter box. So notice how I drew from the big idea that cats can do this by themselves to appeal to the reader that they wouldn't have to wake up in the middle of the night because cats can do this for themselves. That's a pretty good argument, wouldn't you agree? So you have to use a little bit of imagination when you're connecting these ideas and when you're making these connections for your readers. Scroll down to the next slide so you can practice building your topic sentences. So if you have written a two-pronged thesis statement, meaning you've given 2 reasons, you're going to use the slide that says creating topic sentences from your two-pronged thesis statement. However, if you have written a 3-pronged thesis statement, you'll use this slide that says 3-pronged thesis statement. Your teacher may have removed the one that you're not using, so you may only see the one that you need. Okay, first of all, you're going to scroll back up to the beginning of this workshop and grab your thesis statement. You should be able to find it by looking for the stars. And you're going to paste it into this text box. As always, you may need to adjust the font to make sure everything fits comfortably. Second, you're going to draw your 2 reasons out of your thesis statement and just list them here in these 2 boxes. What is the first reason from your thesis statement? And what is the second reason from your thesis statement? Of course, if you have a 3-pronged thesis statement, you'll add your 3rd reason in. So now that you can see what you're working with, use your imagination to think about the big ideas of the 2 reasons of your thesis statement and develop topic sentences from each of these. Remember, these sentences should not sound alike. And that really is all there is to it. Creating topic sentences isn't that difficult at all. Using this method ensures that your topic sentences relate to your thesis statement. And that concludes this segment of argumentative essay writing. Make sure to check us out on the next video where we will be discussing using transitional phrases to introduce evidence and elaboration. If you have found this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. And as always, happy teaching and happy learning.